to another vlog. We have been absolutely flat out all morning getting ready for this matsuri. I'm now camped here in front of the air conditioning. Both my cars are ready to go. I think everything's looking pretty good other than one Victorian with a straight piped exhaust. So unfortunately he's going to have to get a muffler set up on there. I don't know how you missed that one, but yeah, Archie, still mufflers and everything like that. We're going to send everybody out at the start of today, and we're sort of going to grade people. So we're going to you know, grade people, so then after lunch we'll start splitting people into groups, and it's going to be a good day. So
we're having pizza for lunch.
We're having pizza for lunch.
I'm booking it now, ordering it.
Domino's, awesome. I hate it.
I know.
Oh, okay. I'm going to have a pie for lunch and lots of water. But anyway, we're going to get into it, guys, and show you guys around a little bit. And yeah, otherwise I've just been absolutely flat out all morning, so I haven't had a chance to vlog anything. 10 o'clock on the dot, Chi-Chi straight into it. So finally getting the semi-slicks ripped off the front of my 370. Fun. Should be really interesting to drive the 370 without semi-slicks on the front. I think it's going to be a lot more fun to drive here at Archie. And Chop was just telling me that I've actually bent the backside of these wheels, which is sad.
Sorry, Greg.
Huh?
Sorry, Greg.
Yeah, sorry, Greg. Ricky's done himself a mischief.
Oh, that wheel stuck.
Keep your players pumped up.
I'm not going to get it on anyway. Look at the studs. You're not going to get it on, Ricky. Snap that stud. Fucking baby, that's flat out. Seems like alright tires though. That's that is 8.
Oh god,
8.
Yeah, never go 8 PSI at Archie and run the fast line, because you'll DB'd and you'll go straight in the wall. Oh, you can have a spacer, that's right, it's just a spacer that's meant.
We have to take the spacer off.
Shibby.
Yeah. Better hold on to the tire, mate. Tire might be good.
Tire's still good.
Oh, it's just bent.
Alright, anyway guys, the matsuri has actually been going awesome. That's the first like crash we've had. Of course it was Ricky. But yeah, everything's going good. We split groups into A group and B group. I'm actually heading out for my first like non-ride with the pro session and put some decent tires on the car. Oh, I got sweat in my eye and it kills. Ow. But yeah, I think Chong's been going out and getting some footage from the outside, which you guys would have just saw. Yeah, I'm gonna go out and have some more fun and get back to you guys shortly. I got sweat in my eyes that I need to get out. I'm currently eyes closed right now. What's the diagnosis?
I reckon she's good, mate. Well, we reinforced that one stud knuckle, so it actually snapped the bolt and the knuckle didn't bend.
Oh.
PK Tech, take it home.
Oh, you've done a brake line. Don't know what was filmed today. Not a lot of much. I know the boys, actually you grabbed the camera a few times. So some big ass 3-wheelers. I know that got filmed, and I went out and do you film any of the other ones when I went out the 370?
Yeah, I've done a couple of them ones too, yeah.
Yeah, sick. So definitely going to be a few wild clips in there you guys have just seen. So I hope you enjoyed them. I had a lot of fun. 350, I got a bit wild at the end of the day. I don't know why, I didn't film it, but I went absolutely stupid. That's pretty much it for day 1 of Matsuri. We're going to carry this on to a day 2 because I didn't film anything today and I slept on the whole vlogging thing really hard. It is difficult when I'm running an event, driving an event, doing rides with pro, all of that sort of stuff. So there's a lot going on in the background with everything. So we're going to get back to you tomorrow. Right now, we're going to head down to the pub, catch up with everybody, have some drinks, have a good meal, and get some rest and be back down here tomorrow morning. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Like right now, because yeah, that's when you'll see me in the vlog tomorrow. Yeah, now? Okay.
Vlog! Vlog!